Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, coming to you today on June the 11th, 2020. It's a beautiful summer's day outside. We're just working on this 2019 Subaru Impreza wagon. We just did the new Viofo A129 Pro Duo, which is the new 4K two-channel dash camera version from Viofo. It's the next model up from the Viofo A129 Pro. And what it is a two-channel 4K dash camera with Wi-Fi and with the capability of going up to 256. So I'm just going to read the specs off the box just to go through a few different things. This is the box of the camera, so you're going to see essentially, there it is right there. Essentially, this camera's claim to fame is it's 4K, so it's UHD and FHD. It's 4K on the front, 2K on the rear. Sony XMR sensor, that's the image processor. It's two-channel, so this is the front and rear camera version. Front camera, as you'll see, is mounted right there, and the rear camera is mounted right there in the back. And I'll just go through some of the features here. So essentially you've got, as mentioned, UHD and FHD 30 frames per second. So essentially it's 4K on the front, 1080p/2K on the rear. Sony XMR sensor, super night vision, G sensor, 256 gig memory card. It's got Wi-Fi support, buffered parking mode. It's capable of having the Bluetooth remote accessory. We'll put a link to that in the description. We do carry that. That's essentially if you want to trigger parking mode remotely. And then again, you can equip this vehicle, or this camera, I should say, with the GPS antenna, which we have done so here in this model. It comes with basically the power wiring to go from front to back. There is an accessory. It's called the HK3. It's the 3-wire parking mode cable. We do carry that. In our bundles that we have on our website, we include the HK3 harness. That is bundles for people that want to bring their vehicle in for install. If you are purchasing this camera from us and we're shipping it to you worldwide, the HK3 harness is an additional accessory. Why you want that cable is essentially you want that cable so that you can use this camera in parking mode. So that pretty much concludes this video. We will do another video where we show you the performance of the camera. We just wanted to let everybody know that we do have these cameras now in stock. This is the new 4K version of the Viofo A129, known as the A129 Pro Duo. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching. Jeff at Lockdown Security. Have a great day.